If you like the Seiko Prospex Samurai look, but don't have the biggest wrists in the world, then maybe this Prospex is for you. Introducing the Seiko Prospex SRPL11K, a 3-hand automatic dive watch. Now, if you're not familiar with the Samurai look, well, here it is compared to this watch here. They look quite similar, but this new look tweaks the Samurai design in all the right places. Firstly, it's almost 2mm smaller in diameter compared to the Samurai, clocking in at 41.7mm. On my 17cm wrist, it fits pretty well, and I do own one of the 43.8mm Samurais, though I do think it is a bit too big for me. Aside from the slimmer design, some tweaks made in the bezel, the hour markers, and the handset all make for a modern and sleek look overall. Oh, and the massive cyclops has been removed and the date window moved to the 4:30 position, a change that I wholeheartedly embrace. On this particular model, we get a crimson, almost wine red on the dial and the bezel, but this one also comes in the stock standard Seiko black, for those who aren't a fan of this color. And I'm sure more colors are due to be released in the coming months. With the trusty 4R35 movement inside, this one will tick along for 41 hours without being moved around. So what do you think? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the Watch Devo YouTube channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.